Did you know India has its own answer to tequila, made from a flower with centuries of tradition? Let's uncover the untold story of Mahua liquor. Why and how to start Mahua liquor, the untold heritage drink of India. Hello everyone. Welcome to Entrepreneur India. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Mahua liquor, a beverage deeply rooted in India's soil. From its cultural significance to its market potential, let's explore why Mahua liquor is poised to become the next big thing. Introduction to Mahua liquor. Mahua liquor is a traditional Indian spirit made from the flowers of the Mahua tree, Madhuca longifolia, native to central and eastern India. This heritage drink has been a part of tribal and rural communities for centuries, valued for its cultural and medicinal significance. Cultural significance. More than just a drink, Mahua liquor represents a cultural treasure for India's tribal communities. It plays a key role in ceremonies, rituals, and offerings to deities, while supporting over 5 million tribal families reliant on the Mahua tree for their livelihood. The unique taste of Mahua liquor. Mahua liquor has a distinctive floral flavor with fruity notes that vary based on the distillation process. Modern twists include infused flavors like herbs or spices, appealing to contemporary tastes. Production and market potential. India produces 0.85 million tons of Mahua flowers annually, with an untapped potential of 4.9 million tons. States like Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, and Andhra Pradesh are key contributors. Notable fact: in 2022, Madhya Pradesh recognized Mahua liquor as heritage liquor, paving the way for wider acceptance. Production process. The craft of making Mahua liquor combines tradition with modern techniques. Here's how it's done. 1. Collection and preparation. Mahua flowers are cleaned and dried to preserve their sugars. 2. Fermentation. Flowers are soaked in water, and yeast is added to ferment for 3 to 5 days. 3. Distillation. The mixture is distilled at controlled temperatures to concentrate the alcohol. 4. Filtration and blending. The liquor is filtered and blended for consistency. 5. Aging. Optional aging in wooden barrels develops complex flavors. 6. Bottling and packaging. The final product is filled, labeled, and packaged for distribution. Economic gains of Mahua liquor. Experts see Mahua liquor as India's answer to tequila. With its unique heritage and flavor, this industry has billion-dollar potential. Efforts are underway to secure geographical indication (GI) status, which will protect authenticity and boost global recognition. Reasons to start a Mahua liquor business. 1. Cultural heritage. Share a unique Indian tradition. 2. Untapped market. Immense potential for branding and innovation. 3. Government support. Favorable policies for production. 4. Sustainability. Mahua trees grow naturally, promoting eco-friendly practices. 5. Craft spirits demand. Rising interest in unique beverages globally. 6. Export potential. Mahua liquor appeals to markets seeking exotic drinks. 7. Collaborations. Partnering with tribal communities ensures sustainability and ethics. Challenges and solutions. Regulatory hurdles. Work with legal experts to navigate policies. Quality control. Focus on training and standardized processes. Market awareness. Use creative branding to educate consumers. Steps to start your Mahua liquor business. 1. Research production processes and flavors. 2. Obtain necessary licenses and comply with excise laws. 3. Collaborate with tribal communities for sustainable sourcing. 4. Create a strong brand and digital marketing strategy. 5. Explore partnerships with retailers and export opportunities. Government initiatives. Under the Vocal for Local initiative, Mahua liquor is gaining recognition as a heritage drink. Maharashtra has legalized tribal groups to collect and store Mahua flowers for production, empowering rural communities. Conclusion. Mahua liquor is more than just a drink, it's a story of tradition, sustainability, and immense potential. Entrepreneurs have a unique opportunity to preserve India's cultural legacy while empowering rural communities and tapping into a growing global market. The future of Mahua liquor. Initiatives are already underway to mainstream Mahua liquor through government and private ventures. The future lies in promoting premium, eco-friendly, and organic certified products to meet global standards. How we can assist you? Establishing a Mahua liquor manufacturing business is not an easy process. One needs to plot cautiously with a specified know-how and revel in vicinity. This is where we come to provide the specified help and entire support for marketers seeking to capitalize on this promising sector. We are business venture experts dedicated to helping you with detailed techno-economic feasibility reports, market research and analysis, manufacturing process insights, machinery and raw material specifications, complete project financials, guidance on regulatory compliance. List of Mahua liquor brands. 1. Madhuca Premium Mahua. 2. Desi Mahua Spirit. 3. Heritage Mahua. 4. Tribe Wine Mahua. 5. Jungle Mahua by Desi Roots. 6. Mahua Nectar Spirit. 7. Tribal Essence Mahua. 8. Sal Phul Mahua. 9. Eco Mahua Gold. 10. Wildflower Mahua Reserve. Have you tried Mahua liquor? Or would you like to? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Contact us for more details.